Hello, Legal Shield family. Chris Ford coming to you from Johannesburg, South Africa. Yes, I'm out of the country for a couple of weeks, but I want to share with you another way to leverage Google Business Profile to build your Legal Shield business. So a lot of you know when you go to Google and you ask a question, it wants to prompt the best answers for that. And so the best way that you can get the ground is when people are asking questions about PPLSI, about Legal Shield, about ID Shield. The best way to do is populate Google with the most common asked questions and answers. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you'll go to your business profile, so this is what it looks like. You want to click on messages. Then up here, you're going to see the three sandwich buttons. You're going to click on chat settings. And then you're going to add frequently asked questions. And this top one allows you to write your own questions and answers. Now you're going to see that I've already filled mine in. So you can go ahead. What I'll do is copy and paste these into the YouTube video so you'll have access to them. But you can add any question. So any question, think about if you're in the group arena, perhaps there's questions about Legal Shield and ID Shield as an employee benefit. If you're in small business, perhaps there's frequently asked questions about our legal plan for business owners. If you focus on the ID Shield plan, maybe there's some identity theft questions that are frequently asked. Go ahead and type that question in and then an automated response. So this would be the question that somebody would ask Google. So maybe how much is ID Shield for individuals? You could just say our ID Shield for individuals with single bureau monitoring is $14.95. And then you would save that. And now that will feed into your frequently asked questions. So think about your audience, who your typical niche markets you're focusing on. Then think about the questions that you frequently get asked and use that to fulfill that. One thing that's going to do is really help with your SEO. So as people are looking for Legal Shield and ID Shield, they're more likely to find your page and connect with you in that way. So this is just another helpful tip in how to leverage Google Business Profile to build your Legal Shield business. So good luck to you. And this is Chris Ward from Johannesburg, South Africa, signing off.